This is Hopeful to all, and as you saw in the title, it says part upgrade to my computer, bro, or something close to that. What I got here is a Q9550. Not only that, but it's a Q9550 E0 stepping. I'll post some pictures in the description, cause no, not in the description, like in the video, because I do not want to show the barcodes and everything. And yeah, I'm just a little quick unboxing. I'll show you on the top of the processor right here as well. And yeah, hold on just a sec. Whoa! This is sick. Not only that, but look, it's the new sticker kind. That got me by surprise. Oh, and this was made on June 6th, I think, 09. So maybe that's why I have this sticker instead of the other one before. So that's pretty neat. That's pretty sick. The little how the processor looks like, look, one thing, and the letters feel like popped up. So that's pretty cool. Shows right here as well. So I'm pretty happy about that. I always wanted a sticker like this, not like the other one before. So that's pretty amazing that they actually included this sticker instead of the other one. If you don't know, they actually made a new logo and a new sticker. So that was pretty cool. I don't know why, but it just is. It looks more better. To get the processor out. Oh, there we go. And for some reason they're not including that plastic thing no more. I'm kind of surprised a little bit, but you can't really see it right here. But whoa, it's shiny. You can't really see it probably. Hold on. No, I don't think it's gonna focus. Oh, wait, yeah, there we go. SLB8V or SLB8V, yeah. Hold on, let it just focus again. Come on. There we go. Closer. Wait. There we go. Perfect. Did you see? It's the whoa, it's up. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's the E0 stepping, but CPUID will be the judge of that. And obviously you got the heatsink. I'll be using this for now. So I get my heatsink is now. So I'm probably gonna test it out. Well, test out the CPU, see if it works and everything like that. So that's pretty cool. And obviously it comes with a thermal paste, yada. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. I'm amazed that they actually put a new sticker on this. And I'm really amazed that I got E0 stepping on Micro Center. I'm pretty surprised. I thought I was gonna get a C1, and then when I looked in the box, I'm like, no way. And then like I actually got the E0 stepping one. So that's pretty cool. So I think most Micro Center stores on the one with the Q9550s, look at the date. If it's in June, somewhere in June, probably have a chance of having the E0. But the most easier way is to look for SLB8V. That's the code for the E0 stepping. And so yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys later.